John O'Neill here, Backroads and BBQ, Snow's Barbecue in Lexington, Texas. And Tootsie is the pitmaster, and she has been cooking barbecue longer than I have been alive. So I'm gonna go see what that's all about. Brought a few friends with me. Let's go check that out.
First 4 years were slow, and then when Tootsie decided to come on, and then we were selling it.
Yeah, that was really
cool. I don't know if you were standing there.
History.
So he built it, had a buyer, met on Saturday.
He had actually had it posted on Craigslist for quite a while.
Yeah.
And a couple from Marble Falls showed interest.
Yeah. Canceled. I called him up on Sunday and said, we had a change of plans. The next Saturday, Texas Monthly came, featured it, and it's just
the history.
Crazy since that history is done. And then to listen to the kids, I look forward to Saturdays.
Yeah, it's a family business. So these, the ladies who are wrapping up the orders that have been placed during the week, they've got full-time jobs during the week, and they come out here and they do this, and they said, we look forward to this. If this could be what we do every day, this is what we would do every day.
That's awesome.
So the unsung hero is the pork steak. That's the thing that people don't necessarily read about or think to try. Even notice back there that Tootsie was saving her own pork steak.
Yes, she has her own. Don't you take it. You got mine. Yes, I have.
That's wrapped up, right?
It's wrapped up for you. That's absolutely hilarious.
Oh my, so tender, it's just sliding down there.
Is the fat even yummy?
The fat's even yummy.
Oh my gosh.
They're dumb. Like, afraid? Like butter, baby.
It's moist.
It is very moist.
Is that the pork steak?
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh. Saving pork steak.
This is the pork steak.
We're done here. We're done. We're done.
Clap out. Don't need to try anything. What is Ross doing, friends?
We're done.
I'm
Bye,
done.
folks. See ya. It is like a thick, tender pork pillow, just that melts in your mouth. Oh goodness. So I have this rule when I eat, I save a bite of my favorite thing for the last bite. So that's going up there in the last bite.
They make medication for that.
I don't know, it's a thing. So now he can always tell what my favorite thing on my plate is because it's a little reservation.
They're so sweet.
We kind of like each other.
I never would have guessed.
We just kind of like each other.
She knows you and she still likes you.
That's the sad part. Hang on, there's the pop.
There's a snap. There it is. Woo! That's keeping the grease from the eye. I just said jalapeno, so
Some good.
take the anchovies off right there.
Oh. That's some good sausage right there.
So, Miss Tootsie said, the sausage comes from the local meat market, and they're open on Saturdays, so they should be open by the time we leave. Okay. So the sausage is made here in town. That's what they cook. They go through about 200 pounds today. On the average, about 250 to 300 when it's really, really busy. That's a lot of sausage.
You know, a lot of times in jalapeno sausage, the pepper kind of gets lost.
Yeah.
It is a great balance.
And there's a lot of people that use, sadly, just for ease of convenience, they use pickled jalapenos.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, I've tasted quite a bit.
So sad.
It's an ease of convenience. I mean, you don't have to be always
Buy the
consistent.
can
Throw the food-
jalapenos.
Throw the food processor, mix it in, you're good.
Or iced tea.
Can I Lexington, Texas, the side of Texas. There's another side, actually an extra side of Texas with that place, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm wearing Pat Green Pat. This is how much I would love Pat Green to be here.
We're here for some really good brisket.
You had to say it. You had to be the first one to say that. That is a good rib. That really is a good rib.
I need to try the brisket. I'm going to see if that lady
See how it bark? Yes, it's bark. See how it's really soft and not crunchy? It has the thickness to it. So what they do is they cook it hot and fast and bring it up to its collagen. Wrap it in the foil, which is sitting on the other side at 175. And basically you turn it into hot roast. It'll cook itself at 170. It'll cook in its juice. You'll lose the bark, so to speak.
Yeah.
But you'll get the texture, moistness. You'll get all that. But it'll be like pot roast. It won't have that true smoke all the way through. And it doesn't have that smoke all the way through.
light green.
Yeah. Not bad,
It
Bane.
doesn't have as much smoke flavor as I was expecting.
Exactly, that's why.
Yeah, and that
Like this centerpiece right here, this centerpiece underneath the fat, right? This is where the lean meets the fatty point coming in. Because the meat goes here, takes a turn, the point comes on top of that. So when you slice some brisket and you see it, you got the point, you have a right and left side. So it has to sit either one way, the big bubble top, that either sits away from you or it sits towards you. If it sits away from you, the point kind of comes down to this way. You cut at a 45 up, turn it, and you're cutting back down into the meat. So this little piece right here sits underneath that cap. Now if you taste this, it won't be that smoky. And it'll be like brisket. It'll be moist and juicy and tender.
I just like hot roast.
Right?
It almost has a sweet taste in it.
I would imagine it's the mopping it before you wrap it. That's what's on the pork. And yeah, it's seasoned, but that mop is what's making the pork. It's what's making the ribs. Obviously I smell honey, garlic, bay leaves, a butt ton of onions, broth of some kind, probably chicken, and your sugar component. If you have a vinegar and mustard, there's vinegar and mustard in there.
No, you're right. That's sweet. It's kind of like honey and bay leaf.
Yeah.
That is what I'm tasting at the end of that.
The look on your face was equivalent. Bear with me. Here's where I'm going. Remember Bugs Bunny? And he walks and he goes into the carrot patch of the green giant up in the cloud. And he looks up at the big carrots and his ears slick back. That is the equivalent of the look that she had in pure awe. Bugs Bunny ears slick back looking at the big carrots. That was you.
Sure.
Your
like
face. It's like it would be like me meeting Willie is what I saw.
And I just kept thinking her hands like they're so soft. Like it's
It's just the grease.
That's what it is.
It's just grease.
It's just like
The calluses are filled in with grease.
it's all that smoke. It's just made them tender.
No kidding.
But her eyes, she's just so genuine. She's talking to you.
It looked like she just teared up when she saw the flowers.
Yes, they did mean a lot to her.
You know, I look back at this journey of the few days that I got to be a part of it, just how nice and genuine people have been. Appointment or no appointment.
If you had a true interest and you were really interested and just wanted to say hello,
It's you so far.
imagine that.
Yeah.
Just be nice. Wait, stop. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to my Facebook, follow me on Instagram, throw me a pin on Pinterest if you can, and follow me.